Good morning. Augie and I, he's right here if you can't see him. He will be in and out of frame, I'm sure. Augie and I want to show you the amazing things that we got for Christmas. I have Augie's Christmas box. If you remember that from a previous video, I have since put the vinyl on the inside. Yeah, I think it looks good. Casper helped me. So this is great. He won't have all of these 4 things in here. I didn't get him a book. Really, I got him like a want/need-ish kind of. And I have to clean them so that he can actually use them on Christmas Day when he opens it. Because I got him... I'll show you. Stay tuned. I'll show you. You say, shoot, Mommy wasn't even recording. Good job. Get your... Woo! You gotta get your leg under you, honey. Okay, so you saw Augie's box. My hair is hardcore falling out. I just, my hair was wet from being washed this morning, and then I just like kind of scrunched it. I'm gonna see how curly it'll go, and I twisted it back a little bit to get out of the way, because otherwise it's like in my face all the time, because I need to jazz it up tonight for Casper's function, his school function. And normally I just straighten it because that is fast and easy, but I think I might try and put a little bit of curl. So I figured I'd see what the heck kind of curl we could just get naturally. Anywho, on to the other boxes. This is Lucia's box. Felix. I don't know why I'm closing it. I shouldn't be closing it. Oh, it's got paper towel in it from holding delicate ornaments. May as well put the boxes to use when it's not Christmas time. And then this is Casper's box. 'Tis the season to be jolly. This was before I had my cricket, so his is just written in nicely with permanent marker. Oh, Bean! Drama, drama, drama. Alright, so we're opening these boxes. Out of the way. Some of my items haven't even been opened yet because I didn't want anyone to see them. Like this one's for Peter, and it came on a day that he was home, and I was like, don't open that box. Obviously, he wouldn't open it because it's got my name on it, but, you know. So, I don't even know why I'm opening the stuff that I got for Peter to show you, because I don't actually know if he watches these videos. And this. I can't show you this. That one is secret, if you know what I mean. Parents, you're picking up what I'm laying down. This one I'm very excited about. I finished this yesterday. Peter gave me this container. He had a bunch of them for his miniature painting. I spent some time while Bean was napping yesterday, and Peter had Felix at the orthotics place because he was getting fitted for new orthotics, and then at his program. And I made this decal for the front of this box. I know. The suspense is killing you. So I'll try and get like the detail. I know there's a glare from the window. I'm not a professional. I'm just flying by the seat of my pants here. Anyway, so details. It says Casper's Lego Lab, written in Lego font with sparkly red vinyl. And then this robot is actually Dumb E from Iron Man. So it's Tony Stark's robot. Even Peter was like, is that Dumb E? And I was like, yeah, it is. So it's Casper's portable Lego Lab that I made. I did not buy him any Lego sets because he's probably going to get some. Also, he has lots of Lego. He has a couple different superhero sets. And he has like a mixed box set with like doors and windows and stuff. But I got from Amazon a package of 6 classic base plates. So I got 2 greens, 2 blues, and 2 grays. Felix really likes the texture of it, which is fun. So I just have the extras in here for now. And then I also ordered off of Amazon, just because it's so hard to get out when like kids are sick and whatever, Gorilla Tape that's double-sided, and it's the crystal clear one, so it doesn't yellow, and it's like super duper clear. Here, you have this one to play with. Here, you take that one. And so while I was weeding out the decal for the front, Peter, I got him to stick the Lego stuff in. So it's stuck down really good to this. And then we decided, because like I value symmetry and like things being centered, and so I would have liked these to be centered within here, but then we agreed, especially while it's open, if you're building on this, you don't want all of your Lego pieces to be on the spot where you're building. You want to be able to like have access and like pick the ones you want and then put them down. So he's got this big area, I don't know, 2 inches wide on either side. That rhymed. For all of his biddies. And then also, Peter, I was like, do I want it to be blue and green or gray and blue? Like what base plates do I put down? Because I was thinking like ground and sea, or the ocean or whatever, water. And Peter was like, or it could be ground and sky. Like, so if he puts it like this, then he could build stuff like flying in the sky. I married a genius. Your father's a genius. Also, you're so boogery. So this one is not a super secret one. I mean, obviously in the sense that I'm hiding everything because it's not Christmas yet. But this one is for Casper from Mom and Dad. So there's that. Okay. And obviously, like, none of these things fit in their boxes yet. So, Bean, how did you end up with the biggest box? Yeah. That's what I want to know. Ah. So extra base plates I'm just putting in here for now because I'm not really sure what else to do with them. So they're just chilling. They'll probably end up going to a bin in the basement or something. You ready to open this big guy? This is where all the good stuff's hiding. Yeah? Should we open it? Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Oh, my. Okay, so things I need to clean before Christmas. I should just do that today. I'm sure I have enough time. I just have to like boil it or something. Or like wash it. Maybe I'll just wash it with soap and water. I got one of those classic balls for Bean. The grippy ones. So we'll put that in the beanie box. Now you're gonna go get it. This is for Felix. Ow. Hate packaging, you know? Truthfully, I'm not sure how much I'm gonna actually like wrap up individually. Like normally I would wrap up each of their individual gifts and put them in the box or whatever. But, you know, these are just little things, like little dinky things. So this, I should be showing you. I'm so bad at this. You guys, bear with me. Bean, are you helping? Uh-huh. This is the brand. I saw this. Most of these things came from Amazon, let's be real. I saw this on Amazon. This probably needs batteries. Need batteries? I'm assuming so. Otherwise, like, how does it work? It's gotta use batteries. I'll probably have to unscrew the back of it. Anyways, it's like a little fidget doodad. There we go. I definitely want to put batteries in it, but that can go in the Bean. Hi. Showing everyone your boogers. Are you showing everyone your sweet bugs? Ah, you're leaving like slime trails everywhere. You're a snail. Why is it so damp? Are you? Yeah. Are you boogering everywhere? Why don't you take that out? It's so slimy. Good job. Boop. Where'd you go? Hello. Well, at least he likes that ball. Okay. I got some window writers. I don't know whose bin this is going in. Yeah. I've already shown you stuff out of here. I'll probably, or have I? I've done the video for it. I don't know if I've actually shown it to you, but I'll include it. Editing Sarah. There you go. I haven't shown you these. for Casper's journaling. Sir, don't get any frisky ideas. This is also for the bean. But I need to clean it. So it suggests either boil it for 2 minutes, steam it, or mix with baking soda and water and wipe it down. Why can't I just use soap and water? I don't know. We might just boil it. So that's a beanie gift. This is for Casper. Bean, you're getting all stuff you can chew on. That's hilarious. I gotta clean this too, though. I got a matching one for... Whoops. Those aren't for you. I got a matching one for my nephew, because they're basically the same age. But it's like a stacking Christmas tree. That looks like a boob. And it's silicone, so you can chew on it. So that's for Augie Bean. I also got this for Felix. It's another silicone tray for eating, obviously, because we only have one. And it gets really annoying having to, like, search for it if it's in the dishwasher, the sink, under a pile of dishes. Because dishes, it's all we ever do. Sometimes I pick things up just thinking, like, oh, we can use this, right? Like, bless you. I hate getting useless gifts. Crinkle, crinkle, crinkle. I want to get useful gifts. Because I just hate the idea of having, like, a bunch of crap in my house for no reason. Basically. So, I like to get things that are useful. And so sometimes, I don't always think about, like, who specifically I'm getting it for. Like, window writers. We have a giant sliding glass door at the back, like a patio door. They could use these on that. That's fantastic. They could use them on the mirror if they wanted to. Pretty sure. Yeah, I don't know. I'm assuming you can use them on a mirror. Oh, yeah, it says here. Decorate windows, glass, mirrors, foil, and more. Look at that. So I didn't pick this specifically to give to one child. I just picked it up because I was like, oh, that's cool. They'll like that. This, I did specifically get for Felix as, like, I was going to get it for him as, like, a stocking stuffer. I don't know. It's got, like, a little abacus on the top. So that's going to go in the Felix bin. And then it's hard too because, like, I obviously, like, I can't keep track of what Casper has seen. And so obviously the things that he's seen cannot be from Santa. Because Santa hasn't come yet, so they wouldn't be in our house, and thus he wouldn't have seen them. This, he has not yet seen. He hasn't seen these. They're not here. I don't know what you're talking about, but they're not here. So they're going to go in this other super secret special box. Because they're not here yet. Obviously. We've been over this. I've already shown you, I got the mittens. I had gotten these with the intention of stocking stuffers. But I'm wondering if it would be prudent to put something else. Like, maybe the window... Oh no, Casper's stocking is good. So these things can be like... Okay, these are Felix. These are Casper's. So, like, these things... He only just doesn't have something to read. And, like, really, we're swimming in books, so that's okay. So Casper's box is done. Felix has a couple things in his box, but nothing for his stocking. So what I might do is take this Joy-Con thing, Joy Lord, my bad, and this can be for his stocking. So it can go in the super secret box of things. Bean, don't know what you're getting in your stocking, sweetie. Felix's box from us can have his new tray. It'll just fit. His little snack container. Are you noticing a theme with Felix? It's all food. And his mittens. Perfect. So he too, something you want, something you need, something to wear. He also just doesn't have something to read. Whatever. He's fine. So his box is done. Bean, you have something you need, something you need, something you need, and that's it. Perfect. And all of those things Mommy has to clean. So all of the things in Beanie's box are things that Mommy has to clean. So everything I need to bring downstairs, I'm going to put in Augie's bin. So I didn't go wild on Peter this year. Sometimes I get really excited. Because, like, my love language is giving things to people to the point where I can't keep it a secret because I get so pumped that I'm like, ew, you're all boogery again. You're a Slimer. That I just get so excited. I'm like, I know it's not for another week, but I want to give it to you yesterday. Like, ah! I'm not going to do that. Oh, Slimer. Do you need a Kleenex? Do you need a Kleenex? Hey, you're throwing your Christmas tree all the heck over the place. What are you doing? Oh. You need a Kleenex. Oh my goodness. Pause. Oh, wow. Look at this lovely book. Put our garbage away. I know, you just want Mommy. You just want Mommy. I know. I know. Hey. Hey. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah. 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 It's okay. Hey. Hi. What do you want? So that's what I got everyone for Christmas. I also got, not for Christmas, I was going to make one for Augie and I as like a little team. But time constraints being what they are, and I needed it sooner. So I found one on Amazon, and it's a Canadian company. It's called like Jules and Jude or something. I don't know. I will include pictures here. It's a baby carrier cover, and it fits most baby carriers, and it's waterproof or water resistant, like very water resistant, and it's fleece lined and it snugs up, but you can also use it on strollers and on car seats, which I found really helpful. And I wanted to pick the most colorful one, so I got orange, remembering that our car seat and stroller are like gray and orange, so it matches perfectly, which is wonderful. Look at how gingy you look. Jeepers! What is this? Oh my god! Sprout! Your hair is so gingy. Where'd you get that from? For the record, it does not look like that gingery in real life. Like on not the LCD. You cannot possibly be tired already. 10:30 to 11:30 to 12:30. I guess maybe. I guess maybe. Beanie. Okay, so yeah, that's the awesome Christmassy stuff that we got. I hope you enjoy what is probably a short-ish kind of video. And until next time, this is Sarah signing off. This is Bean pulling my hair. Mwah. The glamorous life of a mom on mat leave. I was about to say stay-at-home mom, but I'm not one of those. So, right? Just end it already, Mom. Okay, bye.